You're eating clean, doing what you're supposed to do to manage your diabetes, but your muscles are shrinking, and your body feels weaker every week. Sound familiar? You're not the only one. This happens to a lot of folks with diabetes, and here's the kicker. No one's telling you which foods actually help build muscle back without messing with your blood sugar. See, eating healthy isn't always enough. If you're feeling tired, losing strength, or just don't feel like yourself anymore, this video's for you. I'm breaking down the top 6 foods that are backed by science to rebuild muscle and keep your blood sugar in check. And yeah, they're perfect if you've got diabetes. 1. Chicken thighs. Muscle loss is a bigger problem than many people realize, especially if you have diabetes. When your muscles weaken, it's not just about feeling tired. It can make everyday tasks like walking, climbing stairs, or even standing for a long time much harder. Losing muscle can also increase the chance of falling or injuring yourself because your body does not have the strength to support normal movement. This can affect your independence and quality of life, which is why rebuilding muscle is so important. One of the best ways to protect and rebuild your muscles is through proper nutrition. Protein is the key nutrient your body needs to repair muscle tissue and build new muscle fibers. Chicken thighs are a fantastic source of high-quality protein that works well for people with diabetes. A single medium chicken thigh gives you around 20 to 25 grams of complete protein. Complete protein means it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot make on its own. These amino acids are critical for muscle repair and growth after exercise or daily physical activity. What sets chicken thighs apart is the combination of lean meat and healthy fats they provide. While some people worry about fat, the fats in chicken thighs are important because they help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A and vitamin K. These vitamins play a big role in keeping your bones strong and your joints flexible, which is essential when you are trying to rebuild muscle and stay active. Iron is another important nutrient in chicken thighs. Iron carries oxygen through your blood to your muscles. Without enough oxygen, your muscles get tired quickly and you feel weak. Zinc is also found in chicken thighs, which supports tissue repair and helps your immune system work better, allowing your body to recover faster from injury or exercise. Chicken thighs are easy to prepare in many ways. You can bake them, grill them, or cook them quickly in a stir-fry with vegetables. They are affordable and widely available, making them a great option to include regularly in your diet. Aim for 2 to 3 servings per week to get enough protein and nutrients to support muscle growth. If you are concerned about fat, simply remove the skin before cooking to reduce fat content. Pair chicken thighs with nutrient-rich vegetables and whole grains for balanced meals that not only help build muscle, but also keep your blood sugar stable. This balance is key for people with diabetes who want to improve muscle strength without causing blood sugar spikes. Choosing chicken thighs as a regular part of your diet can be a simple and tasty way to help rebuild muscle and support your overall health. 2. Lentils. Lentils are an often overlooked superfood, especially for people with diabetes who want to build muscle and stay healthy. These small legumes pack a powerful punch of protein, giving you about 18 grams of protein in just 1 cup of cooked lentils. This makes lentils one of the best vegetarian or plant-based choices for muscle repair and growth. Unlike some plant proteins, lentils offer a complete set of amino acids your body needs to rebuild muscle after exercise or physical activity. One of the biggest benefits of lentils is that they are gentle on the stomach. This means they digest easily and your body can fully absorb the nutrients. When your digestion works well, your muscles get the fuel they need to recover and grow stronger. This is especially important for people with diabetes because a healthy digestive system helps regulate blood sugar and supports overall energy levels. Beyond protein, lentils are rich in iron, a mineral that plays a crucial role in fighting fatigue. Iron helps carry oxygen in your blood to your muscles. Without enough oxygen, your muscles tire quickly, and you may feel weak or exhausted. Lentils also contain a high amount of fiber, which slows down the release of sugar into your bloodstream. This helps keep your blood sugar steady and reduces spikes that can be harmful to your health. Having a healthy gut is another benefit of eating lentils regularly. The fiber in lentils supports gut health by feeding good bacteria in your intestines. A balanced gut helps your body absorb other important minerals like magnesium and calcium. These minerals are vital for keeping your muscles and bones strong and preventing cramps or injuries. Lentils are also budget-friendly and easy to prepare. You can cook them in under 30 minutes, making them a quick option for busy days. Lentils work well in many dishes like soups, stews, tacos, or mixed with grains and vegetables for a complete meal. To get the most benefit from the iron in lentils, it is helpful to eat them with vitamin C-rich foods such as bell peppers or tomatoes. Vitamin C boosts the absorption of iron from plant sources, helping your body use the nutrients more efficiently. For the best results, aim to include lentils 2 to 3 times a week in your meals. Doing this not only helps you build muscle, but also supports stable blood sugar levels. Including lentils in your diet is a simple and effective way to support muscle health while managing diabetes. 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a simple yet powerful food that can make a big difference for people managing diabetes and looking to rebuild muscle. Just 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt provides between 15 and 20 grams of high-quality protein. This amount of protein is excellent for helping your muscles recover after any kind of physical activity, whether it's a workout, a walk, or even just daily movement around the house. Protein is the building block of muscle, and Greek yogurt gives your body a rich source of it in an easily digestible form. What sets Greek yogurt apart is its high content of leucine, an essential amino acid. Leucine plays a key role in muscle recovery and growth. When you eat Greek yogurt, it delivers leucine straight to your muscles, helping them repair damage and grow stronger. This is especially important for people with diabetes because muscle health can be harder to maintain with fluctuating blood sugar levels. Greek yogurt is also packed with calcium, a mineral that supports strong bones. Strong bones reduce the strain on your muscles during movement and exercise, allowing you to move more comfortably and with less pain. For people with diabetes, keeping bones strong is crucial because diabetes can increase the risk of bone problems and fractures. Another important benefit of Greek yogurt is its probiotics. Probiotics are good bacteria that keep your gut healthy. A healthy gut improves your body's ability to absorb nutrients like magnesium and vitamin D. These nutrients are essential for muscle function and overall health. Magnesium helps muscles contract and relax properly, while vitamin D supports both muscle strength and immune function. Greek yogurt is versatile and easy to enjoy. You can blend it into smoothies for a creamy texture, use it as a base for healthy dips, or simply eat it plain with fruit or nuts on top. The key is to choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. Avoid flavored yogurts that contain added sugars, which can cause unwanted blood sugar spikes and make diabetes management harder. To get the most benefit, aim to have 1 serving of Greek yogurt every day. Making this a daily habit can steadily support your muscle health while helping to keep your blood sugar balanced. Including Greek yogurt in your diet is a simple and effective way to boost your muscle recovery and overall well-being when living with diabetes. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and wellness insights. 4. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are an excellent choice for people with diabetes who want to rebuild muscle while keeping their blood sugar stable. Unlike simple carbs that cause quick spikes in blood sugar followed by crashes, sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates. These carbs break down slowly, releasing energy gradually so you stay fueled throughout your workout or daily activities. This steady energy release helps prevent sudden tiredness and keeps you going strong. One of the standout benefits of sweet potatoes is their high potassium content. A medium sweet potato contains over 500 milligrams of potassium. This mineral is essential for muscle function because it helps prevent cramps and supports proper muscle contractions. When your muscles contract and relax smoothly, you can move more comfortably and avoid the tightness or pain that often comes with muscle fatigue. Sweet potatoes are also rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Beta-carotene is a powerful antioxidant that fights inflammation in the body. Managing inflammation is especially important for muscle recovery. When inflammation is kept under control, your muscles heal faster and become stronger after exercise or any physical activity. Beyond muscle benefits, sweet potatoes support your bones too. They contain vitamin C, magnesium, and manganese, all crucial for maintaining a strong skeletal system. Healthy bones provide the foundation your muscles need to work efficiently, reducing the risk of injuries and improving overall movement. There are many delicious ways to include sweet potatoes in your diet. You can bake them, mash them, or even mix them into scrambled eggs or hearty grain bowls. Pairing sweet potatoes with healthy fats like olive oil improves the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamin A, boosting their benefits. For best results, aim to eat 2 to 3 servings of sweet potatoes each week. This simple habit helps provide your body with sustained energy, supports muscle health, and helps manage blood sugar naturally. Adding sweet potatoes to your meals is an easy and tasty way to rebuild muscle and stay balanced when living with diabetes. 5. Spinach. Spinach is one of the best green vegetables for anyone looking to rebuild muscle, especially if you have diabetes. 1 cup of cooked spinach provides nearly 40% of your daily magnesium needs. Magnesium is essential because it helps your muscles relax and contract properly. Without enough magnesium, muscle cramps and spasms can slow you down and make exercise uncomfortable. That's why spinach is a great choice to support your muscle health and avoid painful cramps. But the benefits of spinach don't stop there. It also contains a good amount of iron, which is necessary for carrying oxygen in your blood. Oxygen fuels your muscles, so having enough iron means less fatigue and better endurance. This is especially important for people with diabetes because low energy and tired muscles can make it hard to stay active. Spinach is rich in nitrates as well. Nitrates improve blood flow by relaxing blood vessels and increasing circulation. This means your muscles get nutrients and oxygen faster, helping them recover quicker after exercise. Better circulation can also reduce muscle soreness and stiffness. Spinach also contains vitamin K, which supports strong bones. Strong bones provide a solid foundation for your muscles to work efficiently, lowering the risk of injury or pain during movement. Additionally, spinach has antioxidants that fight oxidative stress in your cells. Oxidative stress can damage muscle tissue and slow recovery, so antioxidants help keep your muscles healthy and able to heal. Eating spinach regularly is easy. You can toss fresh leaves into salads, blend spinach into smoothies, or add it to soups and stews. If raw spinach is hard to digest, lightly cooking it can make it gentler on your stomach while preserving most of its nutrients. Aim to eat 3 to 4 servings of green vegetables like spinach each week. This habit provides your muscles and bones with key nutrients to stay strong and support stable blood sugar control. Adding spinach to your meals is a simple way to boost muscle recovery and keep your energy up when managing diabetes. 6. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a great food to add to your diet if you want to rebuild muscle and keep your blood sugar steady. What makes cottage cheese really special is a type of protein it contains called casein. Casein is a slow-digesting protein, meaning it releases amino acids gradually over several hours. This is different from fast proteins that your body uses quickly and then runs out of. When you eat cottage cheese, the casein feeds your muscles slowly and steadily, especially while you sleep. This helps prevent muscle breakdown during the night, which is crucial for muscle recovery and growth. Just half a cup of low-fat cottage cheese provides about 14 grams of casein protein. This amount is perfect for giving your muscles the nutrients they need overnight, helping you get stronger day by day. For people with diabetes, this steady supply of protein can also help manage blood sugar levels by avoiding big spikes after eating. Besides protein, cottage cheese is rich in calcium and phosphorus. These minerals are vital for keeping your bones strong and healthy. Strong bones give your muscles the support they need to work properly and help prevent injuries. Cottage cheese also contains tryptophan, a natural amino acid that helps improve sleep quality. Better sleep is one of the best ways to support muscle repair and overall health, especially if you're managing diabetes. You can eat cottage cheese plain if you like simple flavors, or you can mix it with fresh fruit, nuts, or a little cinnamon to make a tasty, filling snack that won't cause blood sugar spikes. If you are sensitive to lactose or watching your salt intake, low sodium and lactose-free versions are available and work just as well. Aim for 2 to 3 servings of cottage cheese each week, especially on days when you have been more active. This helps your muscles get the steady nutrition they need to rebuild and grow stronger overnight. Adding cottage cheese to your evening routine might be one of the easiest changes you can make to feel better, recover faster, and keep your diabetes under control. Losing muscle isn't a sign you're getting weaker. It's your body asking for a little more care. And the truth is, you don't need fancy supplements or impossible diets. Just real food, real choices, real changes. The moment you decide to add one of these simple foods to your plate, you're already taking your strength back. You deserve to feel steady, strong, and full of life again. And you absolutely can. Start small. Trust your body. And know this, every meal is a new chance to rebuild. If you're ready for even more tips and recipes to help you take control of your health, check out my cooking channel. I've got delicious, diabetes-friendly recipes that are perfect for making healthy eating fun and easy. Tap the link now and start cooking with me. If this helped you, tap like and hit subscribe. We're here with more support every week. And don't miss our next video. It reveals the top drinks that are secretly damaging your blood sugar. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you, and goodbye.